AppFlowy versus Notion. Which productivity app is better? Choosing the right productivity app can transform how you organize tasks and collaborate without feeling overwhelmed. AppFlowy offers open source flexibility, while Notion provides polished all-in-one workspace features. AppFlowy and Notion both serve as productivity platforms but differ fundamentally. AppFlowy is an open source, customizable tool focused on privacy and control. Notion is a proprietary, polished workspace designed for seamless collaboration and wide-ranging integrations. AppFlowy is an open-source productivity app designed to give users full control over their data and customization. Built as a self-hosted alternative, it lets you tailor workflows, databases, and task boards to your exact needs. It works by providing a modular interface where users can create, edit, and organize notes, tasks, and projects with drag-and-drop ease. Its strengths lie in flexibility, privacy, and the ability to extend functionality through community-driven plugins and themes. Because it is open source, users can audit the code and avoid vendor lock-in, making it ideal for privacy-conscious users or teams wanting full control over their workspace. However, AppFlowy is still maturing, so it lacks some advanced integrations and polished UI elements found in established apps. It requires more technical know-how to self-host or customize deeply. AppFlowy suits developers, privacy-focused professionals, and those who prefer adaptable tools over ready-made solutions. Notion is a proprietary all-in-one workspace designed to blend note-taking, task management, and collaboration into a single platform. It operates through a user-friendly interface that supports databases, Kanban boards, calendars, and rich media embedding. Notion's strengths include a polished, intuitive design, extensive templates, and seamless integration with popular apps like Slack and Google Drive. It excels at team collaboration, allowing multiple users to edit and comment in real time, making project tracking and documentation simple and transparent. Its limitations include reliance on cloud storage, which raises privacy concerns for some users, and less flexibility for deep customization compared to open source alternatives. Notion's pricing model can also be a factor for large teams or heavy users. Ideal users are teams and individuals who want a ready-to-use, visually appealing, and collaborative workspace without the need to manage infrastructure or code. AppFlowy and Notion offer distinct approaches to productivity. AppFlowy shines when privacy, data ownership, and customization are priorities. For example, a developer team wanting to host their own workspace and tweak features will benefit from AppFlowy's open source nature. Notion is better suited for teams seeking a polished plug-and-play environment with strong collaboration and integrations. Imagine a marketing team coordinating campaigns across multiple platforms. Notion's templates and integrations streamline their workflow. The trade-off is between control and convenience. AppFlowy demands more setup and technical skill, but rewards with flexibility and privacy. Notion provides ease of use and robust features, but at the cost of vendor dependency and potential data privacy concerns. Choosing between them depends on your team's technical comfort, privacy needs, and collaboration style. Choose AppFlowy if you prioritize data privacy, customization, and open source freedom, especially if you have the technical skills to manage and extend your workspace. Opt for Notion if you want a polished, easy-to-use workspace with strong collaboration features and integrations out of the box. It's ideal for teams focused on productivity without the hassle of managing infrastructure or custom development. Your choice depends on your priorities.